Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to set up branch plus company or group-wise targets in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu, then go to the Branch Setup section and open the Branch plus Company or Group-wise Targets window. First, select the branch for which you want to define the target. Choose the target criteria. You can select brand, group, or both, depending on your requirement. Since we are defining the target for a company, select the relevant brand from the list. Next, define the period format. Since we are using the month-year format, select the specific month for which you want to set the target. After that, enter the target details, where you can define the target either in value, quantity, or both. Based on the achieved target, the system will calculate the commission accordingly, so you can also define the commission percentage here. Once all the details are properly defined, simply save the changes. Additionally, you can also import target details from an Excel sheet. For this, go to Entry Mode and click on Import from Excel. Using the Excel Help option, you can check which columns are required for the import. Browse and select the Excel file from your system and click on Refresh. This way, you can easily define targets through Excel as well. Now, after defining the target, as sales bills are generated during the selected month, the system automatically calculates the commission based on the achieved sales value. For this, go to the Reports and Queries section and under Customer plus Item Sales Analysis, open the Branch plus Company Group-wise Target versus Achievement Analysis report. Choose the required filters and generate the report. Here, you can clearly see the total sales for the month, the target set, the achievement against that target, and based on the sales value the commission calculated, making it easy to compare performance and track progress.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.